From product concept to reality, Genesys Industries is reshaping the present and future of product development to manufacturing using 3D printing. At Genesys Industries, 3D printed parts are used throughout our entire product development process, from proof of concept to production. The use of 3D printed parts in industry is growing every day, and at Genesys Industries, we know how important it is for product designers and engineers to have ease of ordering printed parts online. And we've now made it easy for you. Simply upload your CAD file, pick your preferred orientation, type a finish, and click Submit. You'll get a real-time quote within 24 hours. Easy, fast, and secure. Yet, Genesys Industries is not just a 3D printing or prototyping company. We're a full-service product manufacturing partner with in-house engineering, rapid prototyping, and production services, all from one company. Email us today so we can accelerate your time from idea to profit.